Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome everyone to Smart Engineering Academy. Myself, Amit. So I am here with the continuation of Irrigation Department, Hyderabad, Karnataka region Assistant Engineer question paper. So let me read out the question first. Which of the following method is employed to manufacture pre-stressed concrete sleepers for railways in the Indian Railways? Which is the method that we are going to be employed for the manufacture of sleepers? See, pre-tensioning is the right answer for this question. This is a direct question from pre-stressed concrete. Next one. So this question is of codal provision which comes in IS 800. Please refer to the IS 800. For answering these type of questions, you should be thorough with the codes. Fine, let me read out the question. The maximum deflection in the steel beam with length of the beam L is limited to, see the answer is L by 250 is the right answer. Please go through the IS 800 codal provision in which you will get this maximum deflection with different types of condition. In this condition they are asking for the steel beams, it will be L by 350. See, this is very interesting question. In a highway, the radius of the horizontal curve, okay, the radius of the horizontal curve is 100 meters. Radius is given which can be taken it as 100 meters. The design speed is design speed is given which is equal to 50 kilometer per hour, and the design coefficient of lateral friction in the question they have given lateral friction is 0.5. so this is the wrong data they have been given. Instead of 0.5, please assume 0.15 is the coefficient of lateral friction, because the limit of lateral coefficient of lateral friction will not be more than 0.15. So this is the wrong data which is given in the question. This question maybe you may get a grace. With the full lateral friction, the super elevation rate is, they're asking us to find the value of super elevation. So what is the formula? E plus F, where E is the super elevation, F is the coefficient of lateral friction, which will be equal to V square divided by 127, divided by 127 R. So if you find the value of E, which is equal to V square will be equal to 50 square divided by 127. This is the empirical equation which have been converted. So no need of converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. Take directly 50 square into 127 divided by R. We have to take in terms of meter only, minus F. What is the value of F? Value of F is 0.15. So if you substitute this, you will get an answer. Value of E is equal to 0.04, where 1 by 21.34 something you will get in terms of inverse. So this would be the nearest answer. In this type of question you need to make a small alteration, because lateral friction value will be the standard that we have to take in this 0.15. so if we alter this to 1 by 21.34, where nearest answer is this one. Fine. Let me move on to the next question. Intake wells are provided at, okay, so what is intake wells and where it is provided? Okay, first of all let me go into the concept. I'll just explain you what is intake wells. See, this is the river bank, okay, river bank, where you can see is high flood level, low water level. Okay, in this we will construct an intake structure. Okay, this is the intake structure by which the water is drawn with the help of pump. It is pumped to the pump house and it is distributed all among the city or villages. This is the structure of the intake wells. Now if we go on to the option, intake wells are provided to carry water from the treatment plant. Absolutely no. Draw water from the ground source. Absolutely no. Collect the water from the surface source. So we are collecting the water from the bank of the river at the surface, not on the ground source, at the surface source, because river is a surface water and we are collecting the water from the surface source. Distribute the water to the consumer. Of course distribution is there. The main concept with respect to intake wells is to collect the water from the surface reservoirs, that is surface reservoirs. So third option is the right question, right answer. If a sewage is fully oxidized, that is a aerobic kind of thing is going on here, fully oxidized, the nitrogen is in the fully oxidized condition, nitrogen will be in the form of nitrates. Direct question from environmental engineering topic. So the maximum quantity of water that can be guaranteed from the reservoir during the critical dry period is known as safe yield. Again, the most direct question. Okay, let me move on to the next question. See, again the question is from transportation engineering. The question is asking, if the speed of the vehicle is v in meter per second, design coefficient of friction is f, and acceleration due to gravity is g, then the braking distance, he is asking us to find the braking distance. Normally the concept is very simple, that in order to find the value of SSD, that is stopping stage distance, will be equal to lag distance plus braking distance. Okay, so what is lag distance? V into T plus braking distance is V square divided by 2GF. This is the stopping side distance. So lag distance formula is Vt, braking distance is this much, and they are asking us to find the value of braking distance. So formula to find the braking distance is V square divided by 2GF. This is the right answer for this question. Now let me move on to the next question. This question is, when is the World Environment Day celebrated? World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. This is GK question which was asked in technical paper. What is eutrophication? So eutrophication means, I'll just read out what is eutrophication. Eutrophication, it is a process by which body of the water becomes enriched. Okay, body of the water which is present in the well or reservoir or like lakes, ponds, is getting enriched in dissolved nutrients. By the help of dissolved nutrients, the water is getting enriched, such as phosphorus, nitrogen would be the nutrients that promotes the algae growth, and all other plants life is called as eutrophication. So eutrophication is a improved quality of water in the lakes, a process of carbon cycle. No, it is a result of accumulation of plant nutrients in the water body is called as eutrophication, due to which the algae growth will get promoted. Okay, so this is again a direct question. They have asked, a base width of the elementary profile of a gravity dam. If I take it as a gravity dam, the base width is, they have given it as B, and G is the specific gravity, and uplift pressure coefficient is given as K. The correct relationship for the no tension at the heel portion would be B divided by H divided by 1 divided by G minus K. This is the most direct question. I'm not going to derive this. Hope you all know this concept. This is a person standing on the bank of river. One person is standing on the bank of river. He drops a stone on the water. He notices that disturbance of the water surface is not traveling upstream. This is because the flow is supercritical flow. That is the reason the disturbance of the water is not traveling upstream. Fine. This is all about this part. The remaining questions I'm going to take in the next part. Thank you, and all. Bye bye. Meet you in the next.